ends of the table. Let's talk you through the team news. And then there's a number of changes, a total of 4 changes from the side that locked to start Mali and Keanu Kipido. He retains his place after coming off the bench to replace Kurmani Damani Taswik Matthew to play.
I think Coach spoke about that short winter blanket. I think the biggest concern for them will be defensive structure. That
ground here, a 3-1 win over Marumo Gardens. He is red hot, but looking to catch the eye of a certain when Mr. Eugene Mjuli's whistle goes, it is the Brazilians in the... I'm not sure you've ever been in that kind of situation.
No.
The ball in.
Yeah, you're very right, TT. It's very unusual for a team that we know that they used to score very early.
Chance almost there. It wouldn't sit up nicely. But it's still Sundowns on the front foot here. Lots of pressure early on here on Chippa United. The ball in, cleared away. Now a chance to break with Kwaiba. It's not Kolo Kwaiba. It's done well here, Kwaiba, but chasing him down is Keanu Kipido. It's done well, Kipido. 3 points above the drop zone and 3 points ahead of Orbit College, who are in 15th. There's again in that squad. And if he keeps up his form at club level, it'll be hard to ignore him. Now, it's not a bad move at all there when Mudisa's ball in there. It's just a little bit
cheaper. They are very comfortable in the ball. They play very bravely. But yet again, at the end of the day,
it's a good looking ball in. Msibi Flap said it. And Grant Kekana. Tunyelwa. Now Allende. Oh! Marcelo Allende breaks the seal with his 4th goal of the season, his 5th goal involvement. And the Chilean
Santos, once he received it, he had an option to play back, but he forced it just to play in between there where he found Allende. And Allende with so much space. You look at also Chippa's defense, backpedaling without putting pressure on the man on the ball. And we've seen Allende's goals, they're always outside the box. And there he found an opportunity there and possibly used the defender there, which was Sam. Really there, CB couldn't do that, his quality on the ball.
Kamis. That's a crucial touch there from Keanu Kipido. He took it away. Chippa United, on the other hand, when they've conceded first, they have conceded first in 8 occasions and have not won a game. In fact, only once have they failed to lose a game when they conceded first. They've drawn 7 and drawn 1 and lost 7 of the 8 matches when they conceded first. And by the way, that was against Sundowns. The point that they gained from a losing position was against Sundowns. Oh,
Dunyelwa caused that foul.
This is a goal that Allende scored was Sundowns' 8th goal scored in after the 16th minute, between the 16th minute and the 30th minute. There's a ball in here. Oh, Ronan Williams was impeded there. As he came out there, he just couldn't make it. It's a good ball in by Matrosa.
It was a good ball indeed, and also very brave from Majadibodi to be able to get into that space.
That's another former Sundowns player there. Majadibodi, Harold Allende for the goal. He'll get an assist for that one. There's a Matthews, great ball in, offside. Just offside. Just offside. I think you'll find if it's the replay that
he has a mandate to survive relegation.
It's a beautiful ball! Zeke and Tamerlan with an absolute stealth of a pass and a finish. Well, in the end, he couldn't miss from there. It's Ikram Reyners. Look at me now, he's saying. Look at me now, he's saying to Hugo Bruges. And that's now 14 goal involvements for him. He was tied on goal involvements with Kwaiba can put one back here, and he does. Mamelodi Sundowns concede after scoring that one. It's a good ball as well.
It was a good ball indeed, and once the ball is on the other side, you can look as to then maybe Dunyelo maybe could have maybe tucked in a little bit way too early, but we spoke about the importance of Kwaiba in this team, finding himself free for the first time inside the box where the ball that just skipped Kekana there, and look at the calm and cool finish there from Dunyelo. Yes, Mamelodi Sundowns will be very disappointed.
Chippa United. As an attacker, and he comes on to replace Malebo Modise, who's a fullback. I don't know whether the injury he picked,
Maybe also to create a third goal.
Nuno Santos didn't have his best game. Oh! Wow. Go on wide. Taking the man on, and it's the signal. The form really for a title chasing side. It's the kind of form you want at that most crucial stage of the season. Cleared away by Cupido, but only as far as Figueiredo, who gets turned to the top of the table. Twisting one way and the other. The shot just got underneath it a little bit too much. Jembazwani.
Yeah. Trying to find those tight spaces between him and Sabeleng just to maybe reignite those pocket of passes that they had in the first half. Jembazwani.
It's better now. Rotation of the ball and keeping possession. Jaden Adams. Nice touch from Linus. Matthews. Can Mudiba deliver a ball? Almost. Oh, was a handball there. They slipped. Sundowns now turning the screws. Matthews. Ntabeleng slips. Keeps possession. Beautifully done by Ntabeleng. This is good football here from Sundowns. On the volley there. Straight swap is going to happen now as we look at this again. Reyners. Good as a Mudau, fresh legs. Has to do a bit of running. Mudau floats one, but not too close to Msebe in goals. Oh, miscue there from Azola Matrosa. Piece of Figueiredo. Can he deliver the ball in? Very disappointing. Very disappointing. Zwane. Now Allende. There's space down this left-hand side here now. For Divine Lunda with a cutback. Tembazwani, not his best first touch there, but he's still alive for Sundowns. They get it away though. Allende, Tembazwani, Udauman went on a little run there. Good turn from Ntabeleng. Now Ntabeleng! Flag was up. Some intricate entry. Overall, Sundowns are 5 points shy of where they were at the same stage last season after 21 games. And they've won 3 games fewer than they had at the same stage last season. Oh, Matthews. Beautiful turn. Ntabeleng combining with referee's given. I could have played an advantage. Mr. Mjoli could have played an advantage there because Sundowns had possession. To goal. Diego Mukwena was just winding himself up there to pull the trigger, but the first touch was a bit heavy. Reyners, Tembazwani Mukwena, and a crucial. I was about to say crucial touch, but Matthews gets his goal. His 9th goal involvement, and surely now it's job done. I thought the opportunity had gone there.
And you can see that, especially when Tembazwani trying to set up Mukwena to have that type of a shot, I think that's where possibly you thought they was done. Look at here, it's still Mamelodi Sundowns probing. Look at Tembazwani realizing that Tebs was there, but that ricochet just falls nicely there for this man Matthews, and also used the right technique to be able to put that ball in. Not using power, just using the inside step to be able just to drive the ball in. 3-1.